Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix your favicon not showing up on your Wix Studio site, so let's get right into it. Now, firstly, I'm going to explain what a favicon is and how you can add one. It is basically the little icon that appears next to your URL in the Google search results, and the way that you can add this is you go into your settings on your dashboard for your site, then you go into website settings, and you scroll down until you see the favicon options. Now, as you can see, it is a premium plan functionality. To change it, you'll just have the standard Wix one if you don't change it, but if you upgrade, you'll be able to select whichever one you want. You'll have some templates which you can use, or you can select one from your computer, and that is how you upload one, and you can change one pretty much the same way. Now, what you're going to do if your site or if your favicon is not showing up on Google, all you're going to need to do is just send a request to Google to re-index the site. Whether you can do this manually, I'm not very sure, but you are going to need to re-index your site, and once you do, your favicon should show up. If it doesn't, then it is a different problem that is not regarding your favicon. It might be a local problem with your browser, so I'd recommend you check that out and contact Google support if you need to, but that is pretty much the only way to fix it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.